Hello, today I will explain to you about us. A project of Xi'an Silk Road Tower. Overall, it is a steel structure, a tower. The entire height is 132 meters. The circle at the top uses a griller screen. It's like this skirt in the middle, and the streamer part below. It's using one of our point lights. That uses Arch 3 3-point light. It's 1.2 watts. That's when we were doing this project. Because it is higher, wind resistance is very high, considering the safety of the entire project and a construction schedule. And so on, a later maintenance. We made a big adjustment. Our company's project department gave a lot of supports. Their proposed solution is a steel wire buckle. We use the usual steel wire buckle. There is no way to fix it, because if you use the usual steel wire buckle, its shaking will cause the instability of this lamp. May fall would cause this safe accident. You can see our special buckle. With our 4mm steel wire, a solution like this is very appropriate. Then we can put 2 wires in it. In addition, fix the lamps. Reinforce another layer above and buckle it in. Our whole buckle is very firm. It won't fall off directly like a single-sided buckle. Our buckle wraps the lamp whole. And 4mm of this wire. It's very sturdy. That part like our skirts and streamers. It's all installed this way. The entire length span is about 30 meters. It will be blocked by this steel structure. It is not suitable to use other installation methods. There is no way to satisfy it with other products. It uses the 33mm point light of 420,000 pieces. The design to construction of this plan in the early stages. A guide to the product site. It is all carried out by our professional team. To cooperate until the completion. All the entire control system. It is also provided by our company. Assist the customer to debug it.